rectilinear propagation which can be traveled in a straight line. Already in a class 7 you have learned what is the reflection of light. What is the reflection of light? Let us recall some of the them. Okay, normally whenever the reflection of light, whenever you are talking, there will be a source of light, opaque object and the screen are needed to observe that. In the same way, we already learned the line will be travels in a straight line. Okay, we learned that when light get reflected from a surface, the angle of reflection will be equal to angle of incidence. Here we will be trying to prove with the help of activities that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. In the same way, already we have seen that incident ray, normal, and at the point of incidence and reflected ray all will be lying in the same plane. These all are the things we have seen in the 7th class. Now we will be seeing how can we get the image on a building. Okay, on the building in a small mirror. In a small mirror also the complete building will be set. How it is possible, that will be seen. Okay, we can we get an image formed by a plane mirror on a screen or not, that will be seen. Okay, next, why is the lateral, the right and left inversion means, why we will be seeing the, normally when you see in the mirror what happen, your right hand will be appears as a left hand will be appears as a right. Even that also will be seen in this lesson. These all are the things we will be trying to cover. Okay, why the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence also we will be seeing in this class. Now we will go ahead with the first activity, that formation of image by pinhole camera. Formation of image by pinhole camera. Already you have learned in this making a pinhole camera in the 6th class only, I think so. Even 7th class also you had some part of the pinhole camera. Okay, here, okay, formation of image. How the image is formed. Normally you know about the pinhole camera. Normally you made in the previous classes. What you will do means, in a pinhole camera, you will be taking a, okay, screen. On the screen, what do? You would have fixed one of the small hole. Okay, one more screen you will be taking, you will be making little bit big hole. On this you will be applying a transparent, means transparent paper, which will be something like oil applied paper or anything else. You will be placing inside that. Okay, here only you had a small hole and you are trying to see a candle flame over here. You are trying to see a candle flame over here. Okay, what is happening exactly whenever you are trying to see this? Whenever you are trying to see this object, means it is the object you can see. Whenever you are trying to see this object through pinhole camera, whenever you are trying to see this, what is happening? The light ray will be starts traveling. Means you are trying to see from this particular point. You are trying to see from this particular point. The light ray will be enters over here. When light ray will be enters over here, your frame will be something small in size. Okay, means whatever the light it is there, it will be enters. Your normally your vision will be something like this, it will be enters over here. Okay, after entering this point, this is your small hole. Whenever the light comes in a small hole, it will be go at the bottom point. Here whatever the light ray is there, it will travel something like this, it will goes in a end point. When it is travel something like this, whenever it is reaches to the eye completely, it will be appears you as a image as a reverse. The whatever the flame is there, it will be appears you as a reverse, it won't be appears you as a same. Means here what is happening, it is getting changed in this direction, it is getting changed in this direction whenever the hole is small. If you make a big hole, if you make it a big hole, what happen means at that time you will be seeing whatever the image is there as it is, you can see. But here as you are making a small hole, because of that you will be seeing the whatever the image is there, that image will be appears you as a inverted, that image will be appears you as a inverted. This is about your pinhole camera. Already you learned this about the pinhole camera, you made it in the 6th and 7th classes only. Now you will see next one more activity. We want to know the reflection task. Okay, already I said you the light will be travels in a straight path. If your light is traveling in a straight path, I already said you that. Here what is happening means, here he has given you with a small example how which path will be light chooses. We had different paths will be something like this. There are two trees are there. Okay, there are two trees are there. What I am doing, I am placing a, for example, foot at different places. Here A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E. Yeah, what I am doing is, there is a crow which is sitting on this plant tree and another destination point is this. Means here it is X. This is your Y. Okay. What it is, the crow wherever it is sitting on the X, what it is doing, it is taking the grain from here and it is reaching to the particular point B. Here for example, which will be the shortest path? Now we will be getting a question that which thing will be first, the crow will be taken. Cow will be taken. See here what happened. So you can, as if I am taking the first, I can take this and it will be reaches to the y. Okay, means here the distance, whatever the distance it is less, but here whatever the distance it is traveling, it is more. Now coming to this point, here also the distance is less, whatever the distance it is traveling, it is maximum. Okay, it is traveling something here like this. Next, coming to the C, whatever the distance here it is traveling, reaching to here it is almost equal. Here it is more, it is less. In this case also it is more, it is less. Means which path will be chosen by the crowd. Already I said the light will be traveling in a straight path. I want to explain with based the concept of the light. Here what is happening, whatever the equal distance is there, the crowd can easily come and pick that thing and you can take it easily. Here, whatever the distance is equal distance whenever it is. Means whatever the distance between this point x to c and c to y is equal. Whereas when it is coming to the a to xa and ay, that is more, xb and ay, that is also changes, it won't be equal. xd and dy, it won't be same. xe and ey also it won't be same. Only the distance which is there, xe is equal to cy, this distance will be equal. Means always it is one of the shortest path. Means for example the same point y I am taking this here, I can take it as a y dash. Now you can try to see this. Okay, try now, trying to draw this from a to this particular point. Is it a straight line? No. Trying to draw something. See here it is going in a straight line. Means it is the shortest path the light can travel over here. Whatever here also the crowd can be choosing only this point. It is easy to take. Here also the direction is changed. It won't be the shortest path which is traveling in a straight line. That will be that in this way the light will be travels. Next, coming to based upon this concept only, I can say you one more thing that, okay, the two trees concept only, on this two trees concept only, this is your particular point, C is there, the another tree is there. Whatever the foot it is taken from this point to this point is the best option, I said you. For this option, what I am doing, I am trying to draw a normal line. The perpendicular line, normal line is nothing but a perpendicular line to the ground, normal line. Okay, here whatever the angle it was made, I am taking it as angle 1. Whatever the angle here it was made, I am taking it as angle 2. If you measure these two angles, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. This concept completely was explained by the Fermat. Fermat, what he said? He said that light will be always chooses the shortest path. Whichever the path it is there, it will be easy. That path only will be chosen by it. Here now this is your incident ray. It is your incident ray. This is your reflected ray. In this incident ray and reflected ray, whatever this angle made, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, means I can say that angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Next, coming to the plane mirror. How plane mirrors are made. See here, actually on the plane mirror, what happened? Completely the layer was completely deposited with the silver layer on one side, and another side it will be a glass plated, will be there, some other color will be coated on the other side. Okay, silver metal is one of the best reflector. Normally if a silver is there, it is one of the best reflector. Whenever the light falls on it, it will be get easily reflected. That's why what is happening nowadays, it is little bit costly. What happened, even they are using the thin layer of aluminum is used to deposit it on the glass plates. Even we are using a thin layer of aluminum also, it is also one of the reflector only. But whereas other side, normally if you check it out your mirrors in your home, the mirrors are present. Front side it was a mirror completely, which the place where you are seeing the face, that place will be completely coated with the silver. Back side if you see it, it won't be anything else. Other color will be there. Means that is opaque. In the back side you can't see your image. Wherever you are trying to see your image, it will be a plain surface. Wherever you can't see the image, there we are indicating with the lines. This is the place where you can't see your image. This is the place where we can see your image. Here it will be coated with a silver coating will be there, or aluminum coating will be there. Silver coating will be there, or otherwise aluminum coating will be there on a plane mirror. This is how the plane mirrors are made. Next coming to check your understanding of reflection. Okay, this is a small activity you can do at your home. Take a small plane mirror, okay, and take a sheet of paper. draw any design. For example, I am drawing a star over here. Okay, what I am doing after drawing a star, just what I am doing, I am taking a plane mirror. I am taking a plane mirror and placing, see, something like this. I am placing a plane mirror something like this over here. After placing a plane mirror something like this, what are some of the part will be shown for you. The image will be seen inside the mirror. It won't look like a star. You will be getting some other pattern. If I am placing somewhere around here, it is getting some image. In the same way, what are the star I am taking? In the star, if I keep it over here, some shape you will get. If I keep it something over here, you will get a different shapes over here. Means you can reflection, how it is getting reflected means whatever the image is, the same image it will be getting reflected, but it will be little bit change, slight change will be there, but the same image will be present inside there. That only I am saying that whenever you are trying to see your face in the mirror, whatever you can, when you are standing in front of, only till eye part if you want to see, you can stand till eye, that much part only will be appear. Complete whole body if you want to see, means you need to move a little bit back and try to see that images. Like that only here is saying you can take any of your favorite designs and you can try to draw it in different shapes. Is it clear? Next.